Most teachers walk into hard conversations unprepared. You hope your words land. You hope you keep your cool. But what if you could rehearse those moments before they happen? AI made that possible. Here's the exact prompt I used to practice tough talks with AI as my training partner. Act as, choose a role. Who, choose an attitude. I am a teacher trying to, choose your goal. Stay in character, challenge me, ask me follow-up questions based on my replies. For example, act as a student who thinks this class is pointless, or act as a parent frustrated about their child's grade, or finally, act as an administrator questioning my class rules. This isn't about tricking AI, it's how I train for the real thing. So let's try a demo together. So here's the prompt. Act as a student who says, this poetry class is boring. I'm a teacher trying to stay calm and guide them to the real value. Stay in character. Okay, great. Honestly, this poetry class is so boring. Like, what's the point? It's just old people writing stuff that doesn't even rhyme half the time. Can't we do something useful instead? That sounds like a student to me. So I might respond with, fair point. What would feel useful to you right now? I don't know, like something we can actually use. I mean, nobody's going to walk into a job interview and recite a poem, right? And if we did something that helps with talking or writing for real life, that'd make more sense. I might respond with, but when somebody ghosted you, don't you want the words to explain that? And the response, okay, yeah, true. When someone ghosts you, it's like your brain wants to say something smart, but nothing comes out. Still, how does reading poems from like 200 years ago help with that? This isn't just an argument practice. It's learning to stay calm, clear, focused under pressure. The more I rehearse, the less defensive I sound in real talks. Want to go deeper? Add this to your prompt. Pause every 3 questions. Ask me to reflect on my tone or logic. Or flip it. Act as me. I want to hear how I sound to a student or parent. The more angles you train, the sharper your communication gets. This works solo, but it's better together. In your next professional development, pair teachers up, write tough scenarios, test them on AI, reflect together, build confidence before real student moments. Now you might want to try this with ChatGPT Advanced Voice. However, if you're on the free version, you only get about 15 minutes per month. That's not really enough to practice with AI. So I highly recommend you use the text version. However, if you do have ChatGPT Plus, you get access to 60 minutes of the advanced voice per day. Practicing with AI fixed my tone, but my lesson plan's still chaotic. Next video, I'll show you how ChatGPT Projects keeps every AI conversation organized. Lesson plans, feedback, even grading all in one place. And subscribe if you're ready to simplify everything.